In this video, I will show you how to navigate to and sign in to Perplexity AI using a Google account. I'm starting here on the Perplexity homepage, and I'll begin by clicking the incognito icon located in the top right corner of the screen. To ensure a completely fresh session and clear any existing data, I'll go up to my browser's settings menu and select the option to open a new incognito window. In the search bar of the new window, I'm typing in Perplexity AI to locate the official AI search engine website. Once the results load, I'll click the very first link to head back to the main Perplexity interface. Before I proceed with the sign in, I'll just click the "Got it" button on the cookie policy notice at the bottom to clear the layout. Now, I'm ready to access my account, so I'll click on the button to Continue with Google to start the secure login process. On the Google sign-in page, I'll enter my email address into the text field and then click the blue Next button. Next, I will carefully type in my account password, ensuring that every character is correct, and then click Next once more. To keep my account safe and secure, the system is now asking for a two-step verification on my phone. I'll take a moment to check my mobile device for the security notification and confirm that it's me trying to sign in. Once I've approved the request on my mobile device, the web page will update and redirect automatically. Now that the page has refreshed back to the home screen, I am fully signed in and ready to begin my research. I can now use all the advanced features of Perplexity AI to get clear and accurate answers to any questions I might have. By using this tool, I can get summarized results from multiple sources across the web in just a few seconds. It effectively combines search and AI to provide concise, cited explanations for any complex topic I need to understand. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.